welcome to my channel, Mellowstrings. So for today's lesson, we will try to study the song entitled Diary. This is a classic song by The Bread. But before we will start, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and kindly click the bell notification so that you will always be updated of my guitar tutorial. So what you've heard is the intro of the song. For the intro, bar on the 5th fret from the 5th string down. Then your ring finger and pinky should be on the 3rd and 2nd string of the 7th fret. Should be like this. Okay. Then you have to pluck 4th string once, then simultaneously string number 2 and 3 once again, then twice again on the 4th string, then once again on the 1st and 2nd string. It should be like this. Okay. So string number 4, 2 and 3, 4 twice, then 2 and 3. Okay, that's the first part. Now for the second, G7 sus. Middle finger on the 6th fret of the 2nd string. Ring finger on the 3rd string of the 7th fret. Bar also on the 5th fret. Then you have to pluck string number 4, 2 and 3 again. Twice again, 4th string. Then 2 and 3. Then 4th string and then 5th string. Okay, it should be like this. 4, 2 and 3. 4, 4, 2 and 3. 4 and 5th. Okay. So from the start, and after this is C over G, 6th string on the 3rd fret, and then index finger on the 1st string. Then you have to pluck 6, then 1 and 2 string, open on the 1st string. Okay, twice on the 6 again, then 3rd string open, then 1st and 2nd string, then open on the 3rd again. Okay, it should be like this. Okay, once again. Okay, from the top. Okay, that's for the 3rd plucking pattern. Now for the last plucking pattern for the intro. G chord, bar position, 3rd fret, and then 3rd string on the 4th fret, then 4th string on the 5th fret. Then you have to pluck 6, 2 and 3, again 6, 2 and 3, 6 twice, and then 4th string once, 2 and 3 again, and then 4th string. So it should be like this. Again. Okay. Okay, so from the top. Okay, that's for the intro. Then after that is the verse. For the verse, the same plucking pattern with the intro, but you just repeat it twice. I found a diary underneath the tree and started reading about me. And repeat. The words you written to me must prove you never read them in a lie. Okay, the same plucking pattern with the intro. Then after that is the bridge part. They said that she had found the love she waited for. Would you know it? She wouldn't show it. Okay, so let's study the bridge part. Okay, for the bridge part, the chord is E diminished 7. Okay. On the 4th fret, index finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then middle finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, ring finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret, and then pinky on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. So it should be like this. And then you have to pluck 4, 1 and 2, 4, 3, 1 and 2, then 4 and 3. Okay, it should be like this. Once again. Okay, again. Then after this is the G over D. 1st and 2nd string on the 3rd fret, pinky on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. Then you have to pluck 4th string, then 3rd, 2nd, 4th, and 2nd. Okay, it should be like this. 4th, 1 and 2, 4th, 3, 2, 4th, and 2nd string. From the first part of the bridge, they said that she had fun. Okay, next is D. Just need to pluck 4, 3, 1 and 2, then open again on the 4th string. Then after this is the D sharp D minor 7. Okay, just like E D minor 7, then you just need to move to the 1st fret. Okay, so again D. To pluck D sharp D minor 7, 4th string, then 3rd string, then 1st and 2nd, then 4th. So it should be like this. So from the D, then D sharp D minor 7. Okay, so from the top, they said that she had found the love she waited for. Then E minor. For the E minor, this is the finger position. 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then 1st string of the 3rd fret. Then you have to pluck 4, 3, 1 and 2 and 4. Again, 4, 3, 1 and 2 and 4. Okay. So from the top, they said that she had found the love she waited for. Then after this is the G7. So broken chord. So pluck string number 4, and then index finger on the 1st string of the 1st fret together with the 2nd string. Again 4, 1 and 2, then 3rd string, and then 4th string. Okay. Okay. So E D minor 7 again. They said that she had found the love she waited for. Then after this is the C. Would you know? Then G. C again. She showed it. Okay. Now for the C chord, 5th string on the 3rd fret, and then index finger on the 2nd string together with 1st string. You have to pluck it. So it should be 5, 1 and 2, twice on 5 again, then 3rd string, and then 1 and 2, and then 5th string. It should be like this. Again, 5th, 1 and 2, 5th, 5th, 3rd, 1 and 2, and then 5th string. Okay. Okay, from the top, E D minor 7. They said that she had found the love she waited for. What did you G, first and second string on the 3rd fret, and then ring finger, middle finger on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, index on the 5th string of the 2nd fret. Then you have to pluck 6, 1 and 2, 6, 5, again, 6, 1 and 2, 6, 5, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Again, 6, 1 and 2, 6, 5th, 3rd, 1st and 2nd, and then 3rd again. So it should be like this. Again. Then repeat again to the C chord. Then G. Okay, from the top. They said that she had found the love she waited for. Wouldn't you know it? She wouldn't show it. Okay, so that's the end of the bridge part. Now let's move on to the chorus part. D7. So index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then 3rd string, and then 2nd string on the 2nd fret. So you have to pluck 4, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Again, 4, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Then after this is D sharp diminished 7. For D sharp diminished 7, you have to pluck 4, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. So the same plucking pattern of D7. So D7, D sharp diminished 7, and then E minor. For the E minor, pluck string number 4, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Again. Okay. So D7 again. D sharp diminished 7, E minor, then G7. First string on the 1st fret, then you have to pluck 4, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. 4, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Again, D7, D sharp diminished 7, E minor, G sharp 7, then C. So for the C, 5th string on the 3rd fret, and then 2nd string on the 1st fret, but you have to pluck string number 1 and 2. Okay, then you have to pluck 5, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Then after this, you just need to open on the 5th string, then pluck 5, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. Again, from the D7, D sharp diminished 7, E minor, G7, C, A minor 7. Okay. Should be like this. Next, D. D, pluck string number 4, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Then D7 over C. At the same position, your pinky should be on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. Okay, from the D chord, D7 over C. Then you have to pluck 5, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Again, 5, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. So from the D, D7 over C, then G over B, index finger on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then 1st and 2nd string on the 3rd fret, then pluck 5, 3, 1 and 2, and 3, again 5, 3, 1 and 2, and 3, then repeat. You just need to pluck twice, repeat. Okay, from the D chord, D7 over C, G over B, then C. When you pluck C, you have to pluck 5, 3, 1 and 2, again 5, 3, 1 and 2, then 5, 3. Okay. Then after this is the B sustain 4. Okay. 5th string on the 2nd fret, and then 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Then you have to pluck 5, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2. Again 5, 3, 1 and 2, 5, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 3, 1 and 2. Okay. So chorus. And as I go through my life, I will whisper His cry, all the sweet things I can play. So that comprises the plucking of the song entitled Diary by The Bread. So I hope you learned something. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and kindly click the bell notification for you to be updated on my guitar tutorial. So that's all. Thank you and God bless.